How to manually clear your Threads app cache to improve performance and speed on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using the Threads app on Android and noticing slow performance, lags, or minor glitches, then clearing the app's cache removes temporary files that may be causing these issues. First of all, go ahead and open the Settings app on your Android device, and once you do that, from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Inside the app list, look for a Threads application and tap on it, and you'll enter in this app info section. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on Clear Data at the bottom right corner. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. Click on OK in the pop-up, and this will clear out the cache data on your Threads app. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the Threads app cache on your Android device. This simple step can help improve performance, fix minor issues, and free up a small amount of storage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.